Hi guys!
Hi guys, how are you?
Iveta and Simone.
And we're
Welcome
back
to my kitchen again.
Geek, geek. Okay, so today what we're going to do is Iveta's going to make one of her favourites.
American coconut pancakes. Stay with us.
Instead of milk, we'll be using water.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you the ingredients very quickly first. We need 2 eggs. If you have large eggs, it's even better. We need 5 tablespoons of milk or water in our case.
Iveta likes using water.
Yes, you need 2 tablespoons of coconut flour.
Coconut flour.
Coconut flour and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First, we start with the eggs, of course. We have to crack them. Put it in a bowl, like that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, you can do it. Okay, so put the eggs here. Then you have to add 5 tablespoons of milk. In our case, we are using water instead. 2, 3, 4, 5. The thing that you have to do right now is to mix these 2 together. Okay, so we mixed the water or milk, 5 tablespoons with these 2 eggs together. Now is the right time to add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Just like that, not heat.
I love the smell of coconut flour.
Yeah, it smells delicious. Okay. And of course, we have to add ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Here we go. And again, we have to mix everything together. I'm just using a fork here. You don't need a mixer, you don't need a blender, nothing like that. Keep it simple. So this is our mixture here, ready to go. In the meantime, so we have to leave it for a minute, like to have a rest. And so our pan is ready to go. It's hot enough.
Do you put any butter or oil?
Nothing like that. Keep it simple. So we need 2 tablespoons of the mixture to make one pancake. It's not very hot. Just let it like that. Okay, so you can feel when they're ready to be flipped. Just like that. Test a little bit. Check. Here we go. Just for a few seconds. And this one is ready to go. 1, 2, 3. Woo, that's it.
Woo, we're cooking, we're cooking, we're cooking.
Yay! Look at this. Ta-da-da-da! So we are ready. We have, yeah. So we're gonna put some maple syrup on the top, and if you have blueberries, or you can use strawberries, you can use anything that you like, even banana, anything that you like.
Cream cheese,
smoked salmon, depends.
Yeah. Yum. Okay, let's try it.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Here we go. So we're going to try a little bit here.
The most interesting part is coming up.
The food. Here we go.
Try it.
That is actually really nice. Different.
Yeah, it's keto.
I know. I like it. Try it. I think you'll like it. It's really
Guilt-free.
guilt-free. even the sauce that we have on, we was sugar-free, fat-free, blah free. But this is really
Very
nice.
nice.
Try it. Until we meet again.
MasterChef Iveta.
Woohoo!